Hello, my YouTube channel. Today we are cooking some original chicken teriyaki wraps. The way is truly the meat, the mask. So because and we give you goddamn chicken. So let's goddamn start. Bowl. We have chicken. Next thing, well, obviously kind of fucking spices. So what we are doing is so what we're adding is some dried parsley, some sweet paprika. Not too much. Wait, be sure. Obviously a little bit of black pepper, as always. Next thing, some salt. Very nice. My favorite thing, and some teriyaki sauce. This shit was in a fucking fridge, by the way, so. Yeah, moving. Let's not do too much. Put the chicken aside for a bit. Water. So, first thing I need, garlic. 2 cloves. Garlic. Annars 2 cloves, measurement ainakin. The beans. Not like that. Crush. Well, not like a little bit. To take out the skin. Well, this one I'm not supposed to finish, so. No, the most important part, cutting the garlic. I got it just too messy. It's English shit, I know. Really. This camera is absolute bullshit, I hate it. Bowl. Early into the bowl. Next thing we need for the sauce. Go here, bowl. A bit of mayonnaise, because a little bit of mustard. Not too much, there's not anything strong. Yeah. Lemon juice. I don't have lemon, so I'm using this shit. And a little bit of that acidity. Beautiful. Again, another big important spice. Like always. Salt. Salt your food. Good shit. Pepper. Again, on the back. I don't have fancy shit like this. A little bit. Other stuff you're gonna be using. A little bit of ginger powder. You can use also fresh, but I do not have this one, so using powdered ginger. Again, a little bit more of sweet paprika. That's good shit. The spice, I like it. Good shit. And mix everything. Good mix. Good mix. Important. Taste it. Good. Ham. Try this bad boy. Ah, my knife. Shit. Some extra ham. Because we need extra protein here. Come on. Look at beautiful cutting. Amazing cutting. Professional here. We just cut a bit. How much? And fuck me. I'm stupid. Just small pieces. Not too big. Another bowl. Them inside. I cannot pick this shit up. Wait. Also tomatoes. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm on basic control now. Also cut it in slices. As you can see, frying pan, fire reheating nicely. For the chicken. Well, make sure pan is hot, just do not put your hand in. Just from the distance nicely. Or you can just throw a drop of walking water and see what happens. Hopefully nothing. Yeah. When the pan is nice and hot, take your chicken and drop it. Yeah, drop it, like that. Nice and chiseled. Just not chiseled, just nice and chiseled, just the way you want. Yeah, good. Cook it. Let it cook nicely. Together with also we can cook the hand we cut before as well. So now together cooking. Chicken finished. You can transfer now back to the bowl and try to assemble the fucking chicken teriyaki wrap. So yeah. So fuck me, I have to squat now. Yeah, pretty much. Chicken nicely finished. See, very hot. So now we can try to assemble our wraps. Right. Wrap. Right here. That was loud. Doesn't matter. Cut it up. Good. On the plate. Nice wrap. Pretty nice. Still I love the sauce that we call. My fingers is in my way. I'm gonna try to make it get on. Wait. And very well. Okay, it's not cut one. You can see, wrap is more or less with sauce. Let's put on the shit. Let's go. We have now salads. Two of them. Pretty. Tomato. Again, just 2 tomatoes. So sad. God damn it. Chicken. Teleportation method. That's actually not bad. No. I'm a little bit. It's fine. And some marinated jalapeno because I like it spicy. The spicy is fucking better. Or we agree? Yeah. Shalom. Finished wrap because now I'm stuck. I don't know how to film this shit anymore. Let's go with better angle, I think. Hello, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will go to this shit. Also, this wrap. Also, you can try cooking and tell me did you enjoy the recipe or not. Because, yeah, that's my dinner for today. I guess I'm gonna make another one for myself, so yeah. Again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know about that video, what you hated, because it was my first video ever, so I feel very awkward and weird right now. Talking myself in front of a goddamn camera. Yeah, see ya.